up, Mikey-Mon?
Oh, what was that?
Hello, Professor Oak. Look what I got.
What did you catch?
It's number 69.
How can that be? There's only 60 Pokemon.
Yeah, so wait, how can this be? Then what is this?
I don't know. It looks like a gyrating Pokemon. I've never seen this before.
Mikey-Mon, use your special move. Rape.
What the fuck?
Okay, okay, back in your ball. Back in your ball. Back in your ball. So what do you think, Professor Oak?
I don't know what to think. That's a weird kind of
It
Pokemon.
makes weird music.
Oh, really? What the fuck?
Want me to shut up?
Yes, I do.
Mode torture. Said mode torture. Is this thing broken?
I think it might be. Oh, God. Would you like me to repair it for you?
Yes, very much. Increase the shock to 12.
Alright. Here you go.
You're annoying me. Mode torture. You said it would work.
I think we might have killed it. Nope,
No.
still alive.
Okay, I'll leave you in peace.
Alright, get out of here, son.